2019 or 2020 Honda Accord Turbo. Even though the condenser and intercooler are smashed this much, they are not leaking. As you could see, the condenser used to be out here, but now it's all the way back here. It went back about 4 inches. All smashed along here, up there. As you can see, it was hit by the intercooler, imprinted there, but no leaks. Totally hold its complete charge. And yes, this is a variable displacement compressor. Here's the turbo, the wastegate. And as we go in the back, you could see the liquid line here entering into the suction line as it goes to the heat exchanger right here. This is now a heat exchanger. You have the suction line with the liquid gas riding on the outside, doing its heat transfer. And there's the liquid line going back to the expansion valve, coming out right there. And here's the suction line coming from the evaporator. Refrigerant is going in this direction from the suction line. The liquid line, the refrigerant, is going that direction to the expansion valve. So don't get fooled when you try to grab and go by temperature right here or use superheat method, because you will be thrown off. One, you have a heat exchanger. Two, you have a variable control compressor. Old school methods out the window. That's all. See you on the next video.